find us at EMO in Hall 11, booth E45. This will be a really huge booth, about 1,600 square meters. This is a new company named United Machining Solutions. We do have bought the United Grinding Group, bought the GF Machining Solutions, and that becomes now the United Machining Solutions. So we will have there 8 new machines. It's like world premieres, and this will be a huge unveiling on the first day at EMO. Studer will also be one of the company. My colleague Michèle likes to add maybe something.
Yes, thank you, Michèle. So we from Studer, we will exhibit 5 machines and 1 loading system. And as Michèle already said, we will unveil 1 new machine from Studer. So be excited and be there to see our new machine.